Because I still wanting people to all reflect one at the minute that them leadership, they don't want to leave. We are waiting for the police to come over here to make them leave. And this meeting will stay adjourned until Hayela here. So meeting I can pass a Hayela, no people now cannot just get away. But it's quite unfortunate anyway. So I'm not reviewing.
And you have to make it known to the police now. They are our lawyer. Texas.